Okay. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Too late now.
Okay. Shooter ready. Stand by. Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay. Probably want to center up here. Draw and fire 2 shots at each head. Team 1, 2, and 3. This is 6 shots. So 2 head shots on each target. Okay.
Order matter?
Verify that you've got 6 rounds in your firearm. Okay, ready?
Does the order matter?
No.
Okay.
Your choice. Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay. Hands up. Put them on your head, top of your head. I need somebody with tape. Center target. So one shot just below the head. What about? Yeah, tape that one. Hold it. I need also T3. We need to tape one. I'm sorry. The one at 12 o'clock on the 0 zone there. Tape that. Yes. Okay. Going back. Okay, 1 second. Okay. How many rounds do you have in the first one?
5.
Okay. Put it together. Weekend. Put it in your weekend.
Oh.
Okay. Safety off. Finger out of the finger guard. 45-degree angle. Low ready. Doesn't matter. Out in front of you. Okay. Now this is going to be 1 shot at each target. Weekend only. Okay. Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay. We need 3 rounds in the firearm.
Oh, it's not like right? Half an hour.
3 is down. 2 in the mag, you got 1 in the chamber. What we're going to do here, we're going to start back the target, turn, fire, 1 shot, T1, 2, and 3. Reload from slide lock and fire 1 shot, T1, 2, 3. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
It's, 1, 2, 3, reload, 1, 2, 3.
Exactly. Okay. Shooter ready? Stand by. Okay. And then we need 6 rounds in the firearm. Put another mag in if you got it.
Six rounds total, right?
6, at least 6.
Okay.
Okay, you got more, that's fine. We're going to draw and fire 2 shots each at T1, 2, and 3. Strong hand only. So draw, fire 2 on each target, strong hand.
Okay.
Okay, shooter ready? Stand by. Unload switch clear, slide forward, arm down, and holster. Range is clear. Let's score these. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down 8.
8.
5. Down 6.
6.
Down 2.
2.